Ah, Rome, the eternal city. From its ancient wonders to its culinary delights, it's a destination you'll want to explore in style. Welcome to Open Book Travel. But what's the perfect outfit for your Roman adventure? In this video, we've got you covered with tips on what to wear, whether you're strolling through the Colosseum or sipping espresso at a cafe. When the Roman sun shines, it's time to sizzle. Rome's summer can be scorching, so opt for lightweight, breathable clothing. Sundresses and trendy tank tops are your best friends. Just remember, if you plan on visiting any holy sites, keep those shoulders and knees covered in respect. Spring and fall in Rome bring mild, pleasant weather. You can strut your style with jeans or comfy trousers, paired with a classic t-shirt. Don't forget to pack a stylish jacket or sweater for those cozy evenings. When winter graces Rome, it's time to layer up in style. Grab a trendy coat, cozy sweater, and a fashionable scarf. Opt for boots or shoes with good grip, as those charming cobblestone streets can get a bit slippery when it's wet. Regardless of the season, remember to respect local customs when visiting religious sites by covering your shoulders and knees. It's all about style and respect. Here are a few more tips to keep you fabulous in Rome. Choose comfortable shoes for all the walking you'll do. Steer clear of thin-heeled or strap-heavy sandals to conquer those uneven cobblestone streets. Dress in layers to adapt to Rome's unpredictable weather. Keep a chic scarf or shawl in your bag. It's versatile for covering up at religious sites or staying cozy in changing temperatures. Rome offers you a canvas to express your style, so be comfortable and confident in what you wear. Explore the city, savor its flavors, and make your Roman holiday unforgettable without worrying about your wardrobe. Thank you for joining this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned for more adventures around the globe. After all, the world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. So let's turn the pages together. Check out our links below for discounts and tours.